Yellow spinners, Alex Sukhov is here, and today I will show you how to do twisted sonic reverse. That's a common trick which is often used as a filler, and in the next video I will show you how to connect it with twisted sonic normal in a very nice looking movement which you can see in many combos. But first of all, of course, we should learn the trick itself. Twisted sonic reverse looks like this. It can be made in slots 1, 2, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 3, 4. I will show you how to do it in 1, 2, 2, 3. It is the easiest way to understand the conception of its performing. Twisted sonic reverse is a hybrid trick, and to learn it you'd better already know how to do charge reverse and finger pass. And if you don't, check out the video tutorials of these tricks. You can find them in playlist with the trick tutorials on this channel. So, first of all, take the mod in slot 1, 2, orthward to the floor and closer to the tip, which looks up. Fingers are bent, relaxed. Now straighten up index and middle fingers doing charge reverse. Ring finger should stay a bit bent and index finger rises above middle. And when mod is behind ring finger, raise it, grabbing the mod in slot 2, 3. The trick is pretty simple to get, but it requires some time to learn to do it nicely. You should perform it as circle as you can. Sure, we have no questions doing charge, it is round by itself. The main difficultness appears when you do pass 1, 2, 2, 3. At first the trick would look something like this, and as you can see, it looks screwed up. That's because when you do pass normal, this tip goes down. While doing twisted sonic reverse, it should continue circle motion and go up. Let me show you a couple of tips which would help you to learn the trick right after advice. Learning tricks in pen spinning goes much faster and with greater pleasure with a professionally pre-made mod. You should know that by now. And also you know where to get them on penstock.net, the shop for pro pen spinners with the delivery all over the world. Today you can see Minwu mod in my hand. Great, beautiful single capped mod with perfect balance and rampant momentum. So, to make twisted sonic reverse look circle, you should already know how to do charge reverse in slot 2, 3. It's important also to find out perfect moment for the pen to change the slot. Don't hurry to change it too soon. When the pen is in 1, 2, to make circle motion you direct it with the index, moving it up. When it is in 2, 3, you direct it circle moving with ring finger, moving it up. Middle stays still. A tip which could also help you. When you grab the mod with middle and ring fingers, it should stay closer to upper phalange, between phalange bones. Only for learning. When you master the trick, it can be made in middle phalange as well. If this video helped you, I will be pleased to see your comment below this video on YouTube and like for sure. Subscribe to the channel if you want to learn how to spin a pen, and may the style be with you. Bye.